welcome back to another Walmart beauty box unboxing, or in this case, 3! And I don't really know which ones are which, just 3 of them came back to back. I've noticed they kind of do that, so we're just gonna open them, show off what's in them. That'll be that. So first one is the only one that is listed, and it's the version 6 of Spring 2022. So I'm guessing the blue box is winter, and both of these other two are spring. I could be wrong. So anyway, let's see what we got. Have our little booklet. A list of all the things we could have gotten. Kind of just glancing it over. I don't want to get myself excited for something that might not be there, but at the same time I kind of want to look. So first thing is first, from Eden Body Works. It's leave-in conditioner. And it's coconut shea. Of course it is. Of course it is. Oh, goodness. Let's see. Is it coconut oil? Okay, coconut oil is fine. As long as it's not coconut fruit, milk, water. I'm actually not seeing the other in it, so I actually may be okay with this. Coconut shea natural leave-in conditioner is a daily conditioning treatment formulated with one of nature's best moisturizers, coconut oil, to penetrate and revitalize tresses. Blended with shea butter to seal in moisture. This sulfate-free formula is safe for color-treated, chemically treated, curly, or straight hair. Okay. Let's, just morbid curiosity, must know. Like, my brain's freaking out going, don't do it! Don't do it! But I'm like, might be okay, though. Like, by the end of the video, if my throat is burning, I'll know not to use it. Because just even smelling it that much is enough to trigger me off if it's gonna do it. So, okay. So there is that. Then we've got, oh, I definitely already have this, but I don't know that I ever got around to reviewing it, so maybe it's a good thing that I have a fresher one of it. It's the, Chapstick Total Hydration Natural Age-Defying Eucalyptus Mint Lip Balm. Actually, that's probably a good thing that it's a newer one. Okay. Okay. Well played. I should look through and see which ones I never got around to reviewing, because maybe it would be a good idea at this point. It's been so many years to just buy fresh ones, but at least I have this one nice and fresh, so. Okay, cool. That's right up my alley. I'm glad I got that. From Milani, oh god, is this... I don't think it's the same one they sent before. It's their Strobe Light Liquid Highlighter in Platinum Bronze. Which, I mean, is still, frankly, probably too dark for me, but at least it's not yellow. The other one was fucking yellow blonde, and I was like, who is honestly going to wear that and not look like it's part of a costume? Like, what skin tone would wear that? Like, it was so yellow gold. I was like, I don't know, dude. And everyone I asked is like, yeah, no, I can't think of anybody that would look good on either. So, I don't know what to do with that. But at least this one, at least there's ways this could be used. So, I'm much happier that this is a thing versus that other one. Then, what's this? Oh! From Impress, we have a press-on manicure in their short ones. Oh my god, these are cute. Oh, these are cute. Look! Look at the little accent nails! Look at those! Look at those! Oh my god, I love it. I love that. Okay. I'm gonna have to try those sometime soon. Those actually look really cool. And they actually look marginally close to small enough for my itty bitty little fingernails, because everybody makes fun of how tiny my nails are, that, like, even my sister, when she was still doing Jamberry, although R.I.P. Jamberry, because they're no more, when she was selling those nail wraps, she was like, dude, I have to cut yours so tiny. Karina's nails are that size. And Karina was, like, in her toddler years still at that point, so I was like, oh, God, are they that tiny? And then look at my pinky nails, and yeah, they kinda are! They kinda are! So, this is refreshing, seeing ones that are this little, because usually they're way bigger than that. Well played, Impress. Well played. Then from CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skincare, we have a sample of their Weightless Water Cream for 72-hour hydration. Ah, okay. I've been seeing this brand popping up more and more lately, the Clean Fresh line. Okay. I'd be interested, because if it's good, I would totally be down to buy the full size of that, because I like CoverGirl. Then, from Liquid IV, oh hell yeah, we got the Hydration Multiplier in Golden Cherry. Okay. Alright, honestly, that sounds really good. And I have heard so many good things about Liquid IV before. One of the family channels I watch, Rachel and Justin, like, they swear by this stuff. They have, like, a whole cabinet of this stuff, and they're always raving about it. So I'm like, okay, cool, I finally get to try it! Then from Not Your Mother's, we have the Anti-Frizz Smooth Moves Shampoo and Conditioner, made with Frizz Lock Complex. That's totally not a thing, but okay. Hyaluronic acid and macadamia oil. It's smooth styling from here. Smooth moves, luxurious conditioner, hydrates and detangles hair while adding plenty of shine for 72-hour frizz control. Now you're off to a smooth start. Okay. Doesn't mention anything about, color-treated hair. Oh wait, yes it does! Safe for natural and color-treated hair. Hell yeah, okay. I'm down. I'm down. Hell yeah. That was in the first box. Why do I keep getting these Apple ID verifications? Get that out of here. Okay, so box number 2 that looks identical to box number 1 apart from not having the sticker on it. Let's see, what's in here? The booklet's the same color too, but the stuff it shows as a potential that you could get in it are totally different. And it has like a wintry thing in here. What? What? They're playing with me. They gotta be playing with me. But we have another Liquid IV, and this one's in strawberry. Oh, I get to try multi-flavors! Yay! Okay, I know. I'm stupid excited over stupid shit. I'm aware. Oh, more Invisibobble stuff. Okay. So I have some of the, like, slightly bigger hair ties from them. I have clear ones, and I have brown ones. Well, these are, like, itty-bitties, I guess, for, like, small things of hair. Like, on the back, they're showing, like, that. I'm like, oh, that's so smart! Hair tie or bobby pin? Both. The styling hair ring. I'm like, okay. Is it 1 or is it 3, though? Yeah, 3 styling hair rings. Okay, so for, like, itty-bitties. That's really cool. I like that. I didn't have any of the itty-bitties yet, so that's kind of cool. Then from Milani, we have their highly rated... Is it just called highly rated? Not even listed. Cool! Well, it's mascara, I know that much. I guess they must have swapped it in place of something else, but it's like a little mascara tube. It's a mini. I'm sure I've owned this before and it's full size. It's cool. We have the ittiest-bittiest little sample of number 7 Laboratories Line Correcting Booster Serum. It's so little! Look at it! That's so adorable. So freaking adorable. Then, from Gold Bond, we have the Daily Body and Face Lotion. Pure moisture, free of parabens, dyes, and fragrances. Clinically shown 24-hour hydration. 7 moisturizers, 3 vitamins. Okay. I'll try it. Why not? I mean, granted, I hear Gold Bond and I think, like, athlete's foot products, but, I mean, maybe they make good lotion, too. I don't know. From Garnier Green Labs, we have the Line Smoothing Serum Cream. Night cream, serum, and eye cream in one. Retinol and berry. Fragrance-free. That's kind of cool. Just one product to do your whole face at night. Like, alright. Again, down to try that. Anything to simplify the nighttime routine? Okay, because when it's nighttime, I'm like, I am not up for, like, a 7-step routine. Anything to cut those steps would be great. And then we have the CoverGirl Exhibitionist 24-Hour Kohl Eyeliner. I'm guessing it's not black. It's gold. Oh, okay. It threw me. It threw me because it looked like it'd be black till I noticed the bottom edge and I was like, wait. It also threw me with the name with Kohl being in it. I thought it was going to be black, but it's not. Okay. Alright, we'll stick it up here with, like, the other eyeliners in the to-be-reviewed very soon pile. Okay, that's what was in that box. And then in the bottom box, which is larger, let's see. have a booklet? We do have a booklet. Oh, it's got powder on it. Something leaked. Yeah, it's got like crystals of something all over it. And I'm like, it feels chalky. I don't like the feel. Blech. So first thing in here, by Daily Concepts, individuals who think and sing in the showers. Exfoliating dual texture scrubber. Oh, okay. Like, this is actually surprisingly, like, smushy, squishy, like a marshmallow. I'm like, okay, I want to try that. Still haven't found whatever leaked. Everything still feels like powder. Hating it. Oh, we have another candle. Another wood wick in white teak. Let's smell it. See, they have those cool... I haven't been brave enough to try them yet because of them being the wood wicks, and I'm so scared of them sparking, given my mom's on oxygen. I mean, I'm not really supposed to be lighting anything, but if you're far enough from the oxygen, you can kind of get away with it, but I'm scared of anything sparking, so I haven't done it, but... Oh, that smells good. Unsurprisingly, it smells a lot like mahogany teakwood from Bath & Body Works. Can't imagine why! So, anyway, there's that. A brand called Suckin, or Sukin, Australian Natural Signature, their foaming facial cleanser. Paraben free. Also has powder all over it. I'm like, what is the offending item here? Ah! Oh, this might be it. This might be it. It's a bath bomb. That could do it. Although it's wrapped entirely, so maybe not. But find your happy place. Catching the sunrise foaming bath bomb. Can't really smell it through there. I'm trying. Like, I feel like I get a little bit of citrus. Yeah, mango and sparkling citrus. Maybe I do smell it then, but... Okay. What's this? Also dusty. It's the NYX On the Rise Volumizing Mascara. Lashes appear higher, fuller, and instantly lifted. Sure, why not? We'll try it. And then on the back... different people, different eyes, different lashes. It's like, okay, if it actually works like that, I am down. Especially, like, that one Asian that they're showing, like, she looks like she has no lashes in the before picture, but the after, I'm like, whoa, it did that? Okay, I am here for it. Oh, telephone. Oh, it must have been one of these liquid IVs that leaked. Yeah, it's got a little hole. Damn. It's watermelon, and a second watermelon. I think it was that guy that leaked a little. Please leave a message after the phone. Didn't even bother stopping the video. I'm like, really? Really, though? Rude. I swear, it's like they know that I turned the camera on. Thank you. Anyway, so, just 2 of these little liquid hydration, or liquid IVs. But I'm pretty sure one of them has a leak, so I don't know how I feel about those 2. I might just, like, buy the watermelon one proper, because I'm like, if it's leaking, I don't know how sterile that is, so, But yeah, that's what I got in these 3 Walmart beauty boxes, and for how cheap they are, you know, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. So, anyways, that is it for this one, guys. So, as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Do you subscribe to Walmart beauty boxes? What are you the most excited to see a review of in here? Let me know down below, as well as anything about anything. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.